Hello, this is Steve. So, out of the box, WordPress does not give us a way to go and edit a currently published page and save a draft of it for later. WordPress forces us to publish whatever changes we want to make to a live page if that page is already live. So, we've added a plugin to WordPress that allows us to create a draft off of already published pages. That way you can go and share it with somebody else, save it and come back to it later on in the week, or send it to somebody for approval before it's actually published. So here's how it works. We just go to a page that's currently published that we'd like to edit. Okay, so let's say we want to make a new revision of this tune-ups page. Let's click on tune-ups, and here it is. Okay, now the first thing we need to do is look over here to the right hand side of the page, and there's a new box that says drafts of revisions. There's no drafts yet, it says. So before we actually edit it, we need to save a draft, or at least click this button. I wish this button would say make a draft, because that's really more of what it's doing. So let's click that, and this creates a draft copy we can edit. And so now we can make changes here. So I'm going to just remove this period just so it's a inconspicuous change. And now we can click Save Draft, because maybe I want to show somebody and get approval or come back later in the week and do it. So let's pretend I'm coming back later. I'd be coming back into WordPress. I'd probably come into the All Pages area. What I need to do is just go down and click on Tune-Ups again. There's not like a secondary one floating around in this list somewhere. You just go back and click on Tune-Ups. And then over in this box, it now says there is a draft that was already saved on this date. So we'll just click on it. That then loads up the draft. We were just looking at the live copy. And so now we're back to the draft. And at this point, let's say we're all good. We can choose to publish this. So we go and click Publish. And we should be able to go to this page and see that little period gone. So the period that should be missing is right after. This is actually going to be on the right side of the screen. Product Packaging Company, which is actually right here, Products Packaging Company. So the period is gone now, so that's how it works. And that's all there is to it. No worrying about cloning a page and then making sure the URLs match and updating menu and all that stuff. Just follow this process and you can save a draft and publish it whenever you want to.